The health benefits of apples. Apples are one of the most popular and widely consumed fruits in the world. They are not only delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients that contribute to overall health. The famous saying, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away," reflects the many health benefits of apples. This article explores the nutritional value of apples, their role in preventing diseases, their contribution to digestive health, weight management, heart health, and more. Nutritional composition of apples. Apples are rich in essential nutrients, making them a great addition to a balanced diet. A medium-sized apple about 200 grams contains calories 95, carbohydrates 25 grams, fiber 4 grams, vitamin C 14% of the daily value DV, potassium 195 milligrams, vitamin K 5% of the DV, water content around 86%. Apples also contain antioxidants, polyphenol, and various phytochemicals that contribute to their health benefits. 1. Apples and heart health. One of the most significant benefits of apples is their positive impact on heart health. Several studies suggest that eating apples regularly can lower the risk of heart disease. Rich in fiber. Apples contain soluble fiber, particularly pectin, which helps lower cholesterol levels. Soluble fiber binds to cholesterol in the digestive system, reducing the amount that gets absorbed into the bloodstream. Regulates blood pressure. Apples are a good source of potassium, which helps relax blood vessels and reduce blood pressure. This reduces the strain on the heart and lowers the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Powerful antioxidants. Apples contain flavonoids like quercetin and epicatechin, which help reduce inflammation, improve blood flow, and lower the risk of heart disease. Reduces risk of stroke. A study published in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people who eat apples regularly have a lower risk of stroke due to the fruit's anti-inflammatory and blood pressure-lowering effects. 2. Apples and digestive health. Rich in fiber for better digestion. Apples contain both soluble and insoluble fiber, which improve digestion. Soluble fiber absorbs water and slows digestion, preventing sudden spikes in blood sugar. Insoluble fiber adds bulk to stool, preventing constipation and promoting healthy bowel movements. Supports gut health. Apples are rich in prebiotics, which feed the good bacteria in the gut. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for proper digestion, immunity, and mental health. Prevents digestive disorders. Regular consumption of apples has been linked to a lower risk of gastrointestinal disorders like acid reflux, diverticulitis, and irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. 3. Apples and weight management. Low in calories and high in fiber. Apples are naturally low in calories, but high in fiber and water, making them a great choice for weight management. The fiber helps you feel fuller for longer, reducing overall calorie intake. Boosts metabolism. The polyphenol in apples help regulate metabolism, ensuring that the body burns calories efficiently. Controls appetite. Eating an apple before a meal can reduce hunger and prevent overeating. Studies suggest that people who eat apples before meals consume fewer calories throughout the day. 4. Apples and diabetes prevention. Regulates blood sugar levels. Apples have a low glycemic index, GI, meaning they do not cause rapid spikes in blood sugar. The fiber slows down sugar absorption, keeping blood sugar levels stable. Reduces risk of type 2 diabetes. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people who eat apples regularly have a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. This is due to the presence of polyphenol, which improve insulin sensitivity. 5. Apples and brain health. Prevents cognitive decline. The antioxidants in apples help protect brain cells from oxidative stress, which is linked to cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Boosts memory and learning. Quercetin, a flavonoid found in apples, has been shown to protect brain cells from damage and enhance memory and learning abilities. Reduces stress and anxiety. Apples contain compounds that help lower cortisol, the stress hormone, reducing anxiety and improving mental well-being. 6. Apples and immunity boosting. Rich in vitamin C. Apples provide a good amount of vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system and helps the body fight infections. Anti-inflammatory properties. The antioxidants in apples help reduce inflammation, which is linked to various chronic diseases, including cancer and autoimmune disorders. Supports respiratory health. Eating apples regularly has been linked to a lower risk of asthma and other respiratory diseases. The flavonoids in apples improve lung function and reduce the risk of airway inflammation. 7. Apples and cancer prevention. Rich in antioxidants. Apples contain several antioxidants, including quercetin, catechin, and floricin, which help neutralize harmful free radicals that can cause cancer. Reduces risk of certain cancers. Research suggests that apple consumption is linked to a lower risk of lung, colorectal, and breast cancer. The fiber in apples also helps remove toxins from the digestive system, reducing the risk of colon cancer. Supports healthy cell growth. The polyphenol in apples help promote healthy cell growth and prevent mutations that can lead to cancer. 8. Apples and skin health. Promotes hydration and glow. Apples have a high water content, which helps keep the skin hydrated and glowing. Fights signs of aging. The antioxidants in apples help reduce wrinkles, fine lines, and age spots by protecting skin cells from oxidative damage. Improves skin texture. Vitamin C in apples boosts collagen production, making the skin firmer and reducing sagging. 9. Apples and bone health. Prevents bone loss. Apples contain boron and other minerals that help maintain bone density and prevent conditions like osteoporosis. Reduces inflammation in joints. The anti-inflammatory properties of apples help reduce joint pain and improve mobility, especially in people with arthritis. 10. Apples and detoxification. Supports liver health. Apples help cleanse the liver by eliminating toxins and promoting better liver function. Acts as a natural detoxifier. The fiber and antioxidants in apples support the body's natural detoxification process by flushing out harmful substances.